peace that we enjoy in our area. You will recall that a while ago it was turbulent. It was difficult for anyone to lie down and sleep. But today, peace returned, and the very essence of the place has returned. We are not unmindful of the efforts you made, the architecture you put in place. Indeed, we don't know how to say that thank you properly. But however it is, we have spoken it, and I know your spirit has received it, as the land has also received it.
It is not when you go and blow up the pipeline or the gas that you will get what you want to get. There's nothing wrong in you liaising with the government to make sure companies fulfill their promises and whatever it is provided in the memorandum of understanding. No community can do it alone. You need government to give you support. If you recognize the government, the first thing you will do is to let government know these are your grievances against companies operating in your domain. But not just to go and take the action and then say government will come. I will not come. I will not come. Because you cannot intimidate government. And so you will lose the support of government if you take the laws into your hands. I hope you will continue in that way. Your business is the interest of your people, and make sure that your communities are in peace.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.